We're here, we made it, Automechanika 2025. It's the biggest event in the automotive industry. It's the first date that goes on the calendar every 2 years. It's a chance for people like ourselves to showcase who we are, what we do, and how we can help evolve people in the industry. After all, cars are constantly changing on a daily, weekly, monthly basis, so it's important that we keep in advance of this and help our customers move forward. One of our unique selling points here at Core is we have IMI accredited remote diagnostic technicians, and they are the only ones in the country.
Here we are at Body Shop Buzz at Automechanika 2025. So we'd like to thank Core Diagnostics, who have done a fantastic job in giving us this party tonight. We've got a DJ, we've got beer, we've got wine, and we're welcoming everybody from the industry. This is the most people that I've seen at this event. So thank you to everybody that's come to here today. Thank you for Core Diagnostics for giving us this fantastic event.
So if you're interested and like to know more about what we do here at Core Diagnostics and how we can help elevate your business, then please feel free to get in touch.